Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a clean with me video. I have been traveling a lot lately and my house has been a mess because I have really not been in town for that long. So today I have to tidy up my house and I'm going to take you along the journey with me. This is not going to be a deep clean video. However, I'm going to be cleaning, organizing, and just putting everything back in its place. So first thing first, we are going to start in the bedroom. The bedroom is where I've been spending a lot of my time because like I said, I've been traveling a lot, and when I do come back, I just want to lay in bed. This is where I do all my emails, my editing, and all of that stuff because my house is a chaotic mess. The house is also on the market. I think I told you all about this about maybe 20-30 videos ago. Interest rates have gone up, so people have slowed down with the buying process recently. So houses stay a little longer on the market now because everyone is afraid to buy because of the high interest rate. However, people are still looking to buy homes. And if you ask my opinion, this is not the best time to buy a house, but this is not the worst time to buy a house either because number one, because the interest rates are high, there is a lot less competition versus a few months ago where people were paying hundreds of thousands of dollars over asking price. People were basically buying houses for way more than they were worth because the inventory was low, you know, the whole supply versus demand type thing. So that was actually not the best time to buy a house. Now you have less competition. Yes, the interest rates are high, but you can always refinance. So there is a saying in real estate that I just learned recently. It goes, marry the house and date the rate. What that means is if you find a house that you really love, go ahead and buy it. Even with the high interest rates, go ahead and buy it because later when the interest rates drop, which they are gonna drop, you can always refinance, get a lower rate, which now you're in a better space, you're in your dream house, and now you have a better payment. So anyway, that is just my thought on interest rates and all of that. So throughout the video, you're going to see me yapping away as if I'm talking to myself, but I promise you, I am not that crazy. I'm not talking to myself. So what had happened was originally this was going to be a talk through kind of video, but I decided that was going to be boring because let me tell you, I had a lot to say because as you all know, I haven't really been posting a lot lately. So I have a lot to catch you guys up on. So I was just talking, but I promise I'm going to make a video. I'm going to make a few videos to catch you all on everything that's happening. All right, so moving on to this side of the bedroom. This side is a little messy as well because I have just been throwing any and everything up on this, you know, dresser, chest thing. I also dump my laundry here, so you'll see everything is piled up here and it looks a mess, okay? I already warned you, the house is a mess, but don't judge. Do not judge me. I have my good days and my bad days, and let me tell you, oh my goodness, I've had some really good days, but I've had some bad days as well, but I'm ready for a new chapter. What do you think I should do next? Do you think I should buy another home, get a high rise and live the city girl lifestyle, move back to Ohio? I value your opinion. A lot of you ladies who watch me are very smart, very intelligent ladies, and very experienced ladies as well. And if you all have followed me for a while, you know that I do take suggestions from you all. So please comment in the comment section below. What do you think I should do for the next home of my next chapter? Anyway, moving on to the bathroom. The bathroom is the second messiest place of the house because this is also where I spend a lot of time. This is where I do my makeup. This is where I take my baths or my showers, my night routines, my morning routines, my dressing, all of that. So it has been a little messy, but anyway, today's the day that we're going to get every single thing reorganized. Why you keeping me waiting? All I want what have you all been up to? I remember back in the day when I was very consistent on YouTube, I used to do all the seasons, you know, the home decor for every season. I would do fall decor, spring decor, Christmas, all of this. But my life is a chaotic mess right now, and I have just not been keeping up, and that makes me really, really sad. I'm not gonna lie, it makes me kind of sad, but I'm also having a hot girl summer, even though it's not summer. But I am living my life. I have been able to just like travel when I want to, move around a little easier, and especially because I'm not grounded to this house anymore. And quite honestly, the energy, the vibe, and everything in this house is knotted at all. It's a beautiful house, and as you can see, or as you will see later, it's a beautiful house with beautiful design, and the decoration is top tier because, as you know, yours truly is the one who designed it. But the vibe is not there, and I'm ready to get this off my hand. I'm ready to move on. I'm ready to start over, and I am having the best time trying to figure out what my next chapter is. So I'm not worried about it at all. But as I said, because I still live here, I still have to keep it clean because I like a clean, nice, you know, refreshing looking home. So I'm gonna keep it that way until I can't do that anymore. All right. So moving on to the downstairs, a lot of you have seen the living room. We have 2 living room, the sunroom, actually 3. So the sunroom, this living room, and also there's a living room in the basement, which again, you all have not seen a lot of that. And maybe I'll give you a little sneak peek of it because I don't really spend a lot of time down there. It's, you know, it's a huge house, and I can barely, the 2 rooms that I use the most, well, 3. The 3 rooms that I use the most are my bedroom, the bathroom, and the kitchen. All right. So all the other rooms are vacant or empty, and they just sit there, especially the basement. I rarely spend time down there. The only time I do go there is if I need to put something in the garage, or if I need to open up the garage and get my car out or bring my car back in. Anyway, so just cruising up the living room here. As you can see, there's not much to do. So I'm just fluffing up some pillows and, you know, setting things back up, dusting some things back up just to make it look nice and pretty. All right, so moving on to the dining room. The dining room is so pretty, y'all. It's so cute. I love the setup here. And it's simple, but it's a statement, right? It's a little statement by itself, and it's just really cute. All right. Why you keeping me waiting? All I want. So next we're in the sunroom. This is one of my favorite rooms actually because the light in here, baby, the sunlight in here is so gorgeous, right? And then at nighttime you can actually sit here and see the moon or the stars and whatever. It's just really pretty in here. This is actually my mom's favorite room as well, and she just comes in here and just chills and, you know, gets on her phone and do whatever she likes to do in here. TT actually used to really like this room as well. So yeah, everybody likes this room. This might be everyone's favorite room. All right, so the next place we're going is the kitchen. I don't think you all have seen a lot of the kitchen. The kitchen is slightly different. As you all know, I usually like a white kitchen, but as you can see, the countertop in here, the counter has a little bit of brown and it has some black, and it's just a darker countertop, and it's weird to have white cabinets and, you know, just a lot of white going on. So this is a perfect match. So we have some clear cabinets, we have the dark cabinets. It just matches the granite that is on the countertop, so it works out perfectly. Again, another simple space, but really nicely put together by yours truly. These flowers I've had for a while. I actually did an Instagram reel when I first got these. The lilies, I think they're lilies. Oh my god, I can't remember what these flowers are called, but they hadn't bloomed yet when I first got it as a gift, and they were like, it's gonna bloom, it's gonna look pretty. I was like, okay. So then I put it up in my little jar and set it here, and a few days later, bam, they are looking beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set them on the little sitting eating table here. This table usually has 4 chairs, but there's not a lot of room in this kitchen, and I didn't want to clutter the kitchen because the bar already has 3 bar stools. We have a formal dining room, so I only wanted to have 2 chairs in the kitchen, so that is why there's only 2 chairs. And I didn't really finish designing the entire house because it's, first of all, only been a year. It'll be a year this December that I bought the house, and I'm about to move out. So I didn't really, you know, a lot of things happened in the middle of it. So I didn't really finish designing it. So that is why, you know, it looks a little bland in some areas, but yeah, it worked. It was functional. It was, you know, simple and nice, so it worked. All right, family, so I'm headed back up to the 2nd floor, which is where all the bedrooms are. This is also where the laundry room is. The laundry room is in the hallway, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my laundry. There is no such good feeling. Wait, did I say that right? There is no better feeling. There is no better feeling than cleaning your entire house and doing your laundry. Oh my God. It just seals the deal, right? Clean clothes, clean house, clean floors, clean kitchen, just clean everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my laundry. I'm gonna fold it up, and then later I'm gonna be making dinner, but I don't think I'll have time to put it in this video because I want this video to be a clean with me video. I'm actually gonna do a vlog about this because I have a lot more things to do. My car is a hot mess. I need to go get it cleaned and get it detailed. I need to go do my nails. I need to go get my makeup. I need to do a lot more things because I should be traveling here soon again. So I have a vlog. So I have a vlog coming up. I have a lot of things that I'm doing that I want to catch you up on. I have a hair routine video coming. I have a few videos coming that are exciting, so make sure to stick around for that. All right, family. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. Thank you for hanging out with me as I clean my house. Make sure to stick around for the next few videos. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me there because I have been posting a lot there lately and I have been into reels. Also, a lot of my accounts, or all of my accounts, got hacked. I ended up getting a lot of them back, but the only account that I didn't get back was my TikTok account. So I decided to create a new one, and within 2 weeks, we are at 20,000 followers. So thank you so much for that. If you don't already follow me on there, please go ahead and follow me on my TikTok page because I'm going to be posting there a lot as well. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.